If you've ever wanted to buy Bitcoin on Cash App and send it to another wallet, this video is for you. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to purchase BTC and transfer it safely in just a few taps. First, download Cash App from the App Store or Google Play. Open it and create an account using your email or phone number. During setup, you'll be asked for some basic details and to create your unique dollar cash tag. Once that's done, link your debit card so you can start buying Bitcoin. Now open the app and go to the Bitcoin section from the home screen under Save and Invest. Tap Buy, select the amount of Bitcoin you want, or tap the three dots to enter a custom amount. If you want, you can also choose different order types for more control. Once ready, confirm the purchase by entering your PIN. And that's it, you've just bought Bitcoin. To send Bitcoin to another wallet, go back to the Bitcoin section and tap Send or Receive. It's the button with two arrows on the right. Choose Send, then either scan the recipient's QR code or paste their Bitcoin or Lightning address. Double check the details, tap Next, and confirm the transaction. Your Bitcoin will now be on its way to the other wallet. And that's how simple it is. Cash App makes buying and sending Bitcoin fast and beginner-friendly, perfect for anyone who wants to start using crypto. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and check the description for any extra resources or updates.